Welcome. In front of me I have the Ringke Fusion Case, and I'll do a test fit just so everyone can see how that actually looks like on their device, or if you're planning to get it. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. So I did already cut into it, as you can probably gather, so all I need to do is just pop this open. And here we have the case. Now I'm going to mention one thing right off the bat. You have this kind of like markings right here. These are just protective little film that you can peel off just so the plastic under that doesn't get scratched, and that is on the outside and inside, which you can kind of see it wrinkling up right here. You can peel that off. I'm not going to be bothering with it for now. So anyway, just slap it on. And for some reason, this is actually not going to fit here. So interestingly enough, just to kind of bring that up, it's labeled as several different things. So 15 Pro, 6.7, this is a 6.7 inch display. But then on the back, they just made a 15 Plus, a sticker to cover up the Pro. Apparently it's supposed to fit on the 15 Plus, which this is, but these sellers, I guess, haven't actually tested this out. I mean, it does fit, just not well, as you can see. So anyway, that's, I guess, a bust for this one, because the camera bump is a little bit in a different place than it is on the 15 Pro. Just going to bring up the 15 Pro Max, I guess it is. As you can see, this one fits perfectly on here. So there we go. Anyway, I'm not sure if this will be posted, but if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.